It's get ready with me time!
I was gonna say holiday party time.
Woo, both.
So we have a holiday party to go to, so we thought you would like to get ready with us.
Yay! Yeah. Maybe get some inspo for you guys.
I feel like we always show up at the holiday party looking identical, so
We're gonna switch things up
let's
this
switch it
year.
up. What are you gonna do?
I'm doing red lips.
I knew you were gonna do red lip. Okay, then I will do...
I call dibs.
You always call dibs on red lip. It's not fair. Okay, I'm gonna do maybe like a cat eye with like a glitter cat eye over it.
See, that looks good on you.
Yeah, I feel like I haven't done that since last year's holiday party.
And it's like a nice look on you.
You're just saying that so I don't get upset that you took red again.
No!
Totally.
You could do red, we could be twinsies.
Mm-hmm. Every year, every time. As soon as November starts, Nora's like, she just lives in a red lip, and then everyone else...
I don't say you can't put red lips. I think everyone just
change it
thinks...
up.
Everyone thinks like, oh, Nora's gonna do a red lip, I don't wanna like do it as well. And then we all look the same because we're Armenian, so by default, once you apply like one thing the same, it's like, oh, are you guys sisters?
I'm waiting for a day where you and I show up to an event wearing the same exact dress with the same makeup. Because you know that's gonna happen.
We haven't done that?
Not the same dress, like very identical dresses. Unless a black dress counts.
We've done the whole like black dress, thigh-high boots, red lip. So that's kind of the same.
We did that the other day.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Very recently.
Yeah, once like October hits, it's over. It's like black takes over our wardrobe.
I feel like my wine consumption goes up around the holidays, so I need extra foundation to like...
Oh, like that extra room in your clothes because, you know, we're gaining that weight.
That too.
That's why the dress I brought today that I'm gonna wear is loose because I'm like, man, I haven't recovered from Thanksgiving, so the dresses need to get looser.
Damn pumpkin cheesecake pie.
That I'm still having. By the way, I bought this concealer. Here's a little mini product review for you guys. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away liquid
How is it?
concealer. I really like it.
Can I use it?
Yeah. I really, really like it.
Let's see if I like it too.
Because like Anya and I both use the NARS Vanilla.
Which was just in my hand right now.
The only thing is it's not as light as the vanilla, but I feel like the NARS Vanilla is a little too light for us. But I feel like the
custard is too yellow, the vanilla is too light.
Yeah, but I feel like the consistency is like almost the same as the NARS one.
Okay. I really like this color a lot. The color is...
It's like one shade darker than the thing, right?
Number 4 Fair.
And I think it's their lightest color. Right?
I think there was one lighter one. Yeah. It's a more natural color, but it's throwing me off a little bit.
It is. So you know what I do? I always add the
I ran out of this too.
This is the problem with Get Ready With Me, guys. We're fighting.
I feel like I always buy these at the airport.
Totally, because they have the
2-for-1.
2-for-1. I think this is the one I'm still using that we bought.
I ran out and I'm like, oh, I don't want to buy another one until I go to the airport. Duty free.
You're hinting at me.
Oh no, you're going to the airport next week.
All right, next up I'm gonna prime my eyes.
Me too. I am using the MAC Painterly pot.
Don't you guys feel like Ani's like my little sister?
Are you using the same one?
No, but you're like my little sister.
Well, you are much...
Mom, let Nora come! Can I go with Nora?
Right? You are much older than me.
Shade! Shade! Shade. By the way, Ani's only like 3 months younger than me.
You totally had that coming.
Shade. Wow. Wow.
You had it coming. Alright, for my lids, I'm going to do Lid Lingerie.
And I'm going to be using the Blushing Berries Dose of Colors palette.
Good for you, Nora.
You guys, the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette and the Sassy Sienna palette are honestly my favorite palettes. They're all matte. And they're just, the consistency of it, the powder, it's like, it doesn't get all over the place when you use it. It's just so good.
I'm actually going to be using a few different palettes today. I'm going to be using the NYX Lid Lingerie. I'm going to be using Dose of Colors, Urban Decay. I'll show you guys everything as I use them.
Show off. So the gold I'm using is this one, you guys, the Charlotte Tilbury Pot of Gold.
I'm gonna move on to my Dose of Colors I Love Sorry palette. So pretty.
I have to do my eyebrows. If I don't do my eyebrows, it's like nothing matters right now.
Nothing really matters.
So I get a lot of questions about my eyebrows, funny enough, and I don't do my eyebrows. Like I just
Show off.
I just like razor the little bottoms. And I don't even
do my eyebrows.
I don't even tweeze. But so I use the MAC Trio. It's called Great Brows in taupe.
I don't do my eyebrows either because they don't grow.
Well, you did microblading.
Yeah. Lifesaver.
And here's my tip on doing my brows. I first brush them down, you guys. So brush them down. And then you go with the natural line of your brows. Like don't add like this crazy thing. And then brush it up and do that line as well. Natural line of your brows. And then fill in whatever you need to. And it's so, I feel like it's subtle. It's like not over the top. It's, because I feel like I see a lot of eyebrows that are a little aggressive, right?
Yeah, I'm like really hoping this like natural brow thing comes back into style. Whenever I do a cat eyeliner, I always start with the middle of my eye, go out, don't do the wing, and then I meet the corner of my eye to the middle, and then I do the wing at the very, very end. Okay, so now the base of my liner is done. Shake this up again, get some more liquid in there.
Shake, shake, shake.
And I'm using the Stila one, which is my all-time favorite liquid eyeliner. Okay. Now I'm gonna wing my wing. Get it? So I'm gonna start with the corner right here, and I'm gonna go out. Okay. And now I'm gonna take this part and marry the both together.
You're using this.
And then I'm gonna fill it in now.
You're using the Stila
Yeah.
liner?
Mm-hmm.
Liquid liner?
Liquid liner. Waterproof. Waterproof, baby. Got a good one.
Damn!
Now I have to
Ani!
match the other side too, you know?
Oh, that's the struggle.
Yeah.
One cat is going up, one cat's going down.
Cool. But it's okay because I'm gonna do a liquid right on top of it. A glitter liquid. So I'll be able to hide some imperfections.
Nude on my bottom lid. Because I feel like it makes your eyes pop.
Damn, look at that perfect wing right there.
Oh, you got the other eye too?
Damn, straight up,
Skills! Skills!
Okay, I'm gonna do my glitter liner now because I kind of need to see like how aggressive everything looks.
Yeah,
To
of course.
see if I'm gonna like continue and how much I'm gonna do on top of this. So I'm literally just gonna use my winged eyeliner as my guide and go right on top of it. And I'm using the e.l.f. one. I think it was like $3 at Target.
And what I did is I went heavier on the bottom lid of my eye. I added the black shadow only up until the middle of my pupil, and then I'm gonna add the lighter color kind of to blend the two.
So if you want a more subtle glitter look, do a gold. If you want a more like bam, my glitter eyes, go with a silver one because it just always stands out more next to black. So this is a little bit more subtle. Look.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah. So if you're like, I kind of want glitter, but I'm scared, go with gold.
And I'm using my favorite bronzer, you guys, the Lisa Watier in Havana. Now, the pinnacle point of my get ready with me, it's my lips. I'm gonna be using the Galactic Iconic, you guys, my favorite red. Is this not your favorite red?
Good red.
Look at it, it's just like, I don't know, it matches everything.
The color, the consistency.
the brightness.
It's super long lasting. It really is one of the best reds. Can I use your bronzer since mine broke? Thank you. Friendship. You don't wait for them to respond.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a good color. Oh, damn. What is this magic?
Yeah, I've been using that for years.
I know.
It's the only bronzer I use.
I've never used it. I may have to invest. Since my eyes are a little bit heavier, I'm gonna go with a nude lip when I get to that point. Woo.
All right, you guys, I'm wearing a misguided dress and Stuart Weitzman chunky, would you call these chunky heels?
Chunky, like somewhat cowboyish booties.
Yeah, and they're super, super comfy. So I feel like if I'm gonna go to a holiday party and it's gonna last all day, all night, it's gonna be really comfortable. I'm not gonna die.
I'm wearing a Zara dress with a Zara belt and my trusty Gianvito Rossi shoes that Nora bought me for Christmas last year.
Oh yeah. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you next time. Happy holidays.